All right, so second last day of training for the year, and we're gonna test the boys on the Bronco test out on the field. And everyone's super excited. It's been raining the first couple of days, but now we've got a beautiful sunny day. The Lord is shining on us. So yeah.
I wish. 5:30, 5:30. Under 5:30, we'll be happy.
Very excited for the Bronco.
This is me before Bronco. It's our face before Bronco. See us after. Hopefully under 5. Under 5.
Hopefully under 6, eh?
4 minutes, 4 minutes.
4 minutes, your friend.
Wipe me now. Wipe me cause I'm on. Wipe me cause I'm on. Wipe me.
Itu.